Forgive me if I cough once or twice. My allergy season, so. To the General and my family, who I respect and honor. George, I am without my best friend, my campaign manager, my computer expert, and my organization, along with you, who I miss the most. I am making decisions on my own for the first time. I have to admit that I am scared, just like Selesky must be. I'm starting to realize just how serious this game is, and I am loving it, General. We need to meet. I need help. I miss the conversations we once had. I know you and the ground are still watching. My organization is also. The apartment next to me is still empty, and I see you across the parking lot. You seemed to miss my flat tire the other day. I am about to make my biggest decision of my career. I have no idea how far our new game will carry us or the world. I don't like to lose, just like GLADAMERE. I must warn you, George, that this speech will cause chaos. Just how much, I do not know. But I have had enough of GLADAMERE and our illusions. This is David, the leader of Cicada. To President Selesky, I admire your loyalty, but it is stupid to sacrifice your life to GLADAMERE. That is what he wants, is to see you die in agony. GLADAMERE wants to see you die slowly. It's stupid to give him what he wants. To GLADAMERE, I'm on your side. The war is never the way. When people are faced with death, they often find a way to survive. The Ukrainian people are much more determined than you give them credit for. You are slowly losing the war, and even if you do win, it will be difficult to maintain. When you do finally win, if there is such a thing as winning a war, you will inherit an empty country. It will take you years to rebuild and almost impossible to sustain. GLADAMERE, I am just a pawn in this game of illusion and reality. To me, it's all an illusion till you come forward. I seem to inherit the most powerful weapon this world called Earth. It's more powerful than all the nuclear weapons in the world. Basically, because a program can destroy any computer in the world. You tried to attack my computer and registered 3.5 to 5.0 megabytes for over 5 hours. The other day I had trouble turning the computer on, and when I did, I saw it cost 42 megabytes. For how long, I do not know. That amount of power did indeed damage my computer. However, it did not get to the information on my hard drive. My organization has left me on my own to see how I would handle all situations. I am learning what to do. What you do not understand is that the Arcturians can interact with computers just by thought. We have been able to accomplish that by some small degree in our world. The Arcturians have managed this for thousands of years ago. Vladimir, do you really think you can accomplish hacking into my computer? A race of beings that can interact with computers just by thought? They came from 37 light years away and are protecting Earth from alien invasion. They can read and control your thoughts in a blink of an eye. They are training me to do the same thing. We have every thought planned. We do not make mistakes, and we allow you only the information we want you to have. I am not stupid, Gladamere. I have been informed by Cicada and the Arcturians that they have had enough of this war. So they have told me that this is what they are going to do. I have removed all vital data from my computers. So even if you do hack into my computers, you will not find anything worthwhile. They have decided to create a new game. The game is really not interfering. However, this game will bring out the greed in people. Once I announce the game, people will look for the information. They won't be able to find the information that will drive them crazy. We are looking to see how far the human race will go. Like I have told you in the past, that the computer program can attack as well as defend. And we now have all control over all of Gladamere's computers, as well as all his data. This includes all of his financial information. We have placed this information on the cloud, or what you call the cloud. It is no longer on any of my computers. You will probably find this out sooner or later. I have many backup computers at my command. What we have done is this. We have taken all of Gladamere's data and placed them in computers around the world. We placed them in all computers associated with presidents, governors, Congress, and anyone associated in politics. I am showing no favoritism in this. I am also putting it in friends and family. We are mainly concentrating on the United States and in Russia. We are putting them in millions of computers around the world on a rotating basis at random. We are hiding the information in your computers. You can only access the information by code. You will not notice any difference in your computer speed or any interference in the operation of your computer. To access the information, all you have to do is to guess the password. To play the game, the password is connected to your original password to the computer. So change your password to your computer or phone, and you just might strike gold. We want you to guess the password, so we made it relatively easy to find. This is the new game with cicada3301. Find the password, and you will find us. Good luck. Now I would like to take a minute to show you the attack on my computer that failed. Give me 1 second. here it is. You may be able to see it or you may not. You notice the seriousness of the attack here. And down here you'll see 42 megabytes. And up here you'll see 808 going out, 42 megabytes going in. I'll just give you a minute to look at that. I'll show you something else on my phone. I think I got this from Ukraine. Probably Zelensky gave it to me. I have no idea. You can see this app right here. Okay, it's a chat room of some kind. I'm going to show you the first thing on it, Ukraine. It's a program so I can have up-to-date information on Ukraine. And Zelensky, if you gave it to me, thank you. And that's all for now. In the near future, I'll be showing you how I solved the cicada puzzles once again. Thank you, and have a nice day.